Send your voice notes, baby, but you never answer. Cause I busy with the others. Ooh, I woke up.
Good morning you guys. What is the half thought to take you along with me as I will go run some errands like shop something for my grocery as I ran out of my groceries, almost everything like fruits, snacks. So let's see what we will get. And apart from that, I may also film an Ikea haul as I received my Ikea delivery from Amazon and I couldn't manage to open my parcels yet, so I might film an Ikea haul. We will see what we can do today and tomorrow. I was also thinking how about if we could manage some time go out and have a lunch. That will be great. So let's see what we can do or how the weekend goes. We will see together. I'm kind of trying to filter some good quality apples. I think I need to get 2 packets from here. You may wonder why I picked watermelon at this time of year during this fall and winter time. As I wanted to make a custard and I kind of think that for custard watermelon goes best with some other fruits, which is why I picked watermelon at this time. From fruits, let me open my window, it's closing every time, it's so windy here. So I have watermelon, pomegranates 2 pieces would be enough for my entire week, strawberries, dates, then we have got apples, I have got, then 4 pieces of oranges, picked up, I think these are everything for the fruits. And then I ended up picking a mango drink, maza. Other than that, I have picked up cheese, 2 packets of cheese or paneer, what do you call it, a milk packet. Then I have got these noodles. I don't usually use these noodles, but I found out that they don't have that at this moment, so I had to pick this noodle packet. I have also got couple of packets for candies, like this one, mango candies, raw mango candy, eclairs candy, soya chunks. I have one more candy here, this one. Cookies for quick snacks and these 2 giant packet. I have showed you everything, made the haul nicely. These are everything that I have picked. You guys, I just received couple of parcels from Amazon. I ordered couple of pieces from Ikea on Amazon. Even though the prices are double or quite high, double, I think double. I received all the orders, so I thought why not to make a haul and share with you. So let's keep watching. Let me show you. I mean, boy, they are really hard to hold like here. And I could not get the black one. I was looking for the black rather than white, but boy, I only found white, so I had to order white. Chair, black one, plastic chairs, I think. No, I don't think tear it up. I mean, my scissors are small, so better I just pull it out. And hi you guys, just reached at Calcutta here. As it's raining outside, like as you can see, I kind of got wet a bit at this side and my shoes got dirty a bit. Hi you guys, we just got inside. It was a kind of long queue. Since we missed our buffer time, we had to wait around 20 to 25 minutes, and then after waiting we got inside and we just bought already a plate full of like Bengali. I love Bengali cuisine and kind of used to come in here occasion purpose. This is a weekend I have come here, and after we finish our lunch we will be heading to some ethnic shopping or not sure. So we'll catch you guys updated. Let's just start. We have got 2 plates of starter, fish paturi, fish fry, chicken salad, and one more kind of salad, and then fish fry. Let's just start the menu. I'm so hungry, literally starving. Custard, rasgulla, and I think that is it.